You have a new puppy, but they also have fleas. What's the best treatment? For a tiny puppy, a severe flea infestation can cause fatal anemia by draining them of blood. Your instinct is to grab a treatment, but stop. The wrong cure can be just as deadly. Using a product meant for an adult dog can cause neurological damage, paralysis, or even death. We will now give you a clear, age-by-age guide to safely eliminate fleas for good. So why are puppies under 12 weeks so vulnerable? Their developing organs can't process chemicals like an adult dog can. First, confirm you're dealing with fleas. Look for flea dirt, black specks that turn red on a wet paper towel. It's digested blood. The fleas on your puppy are only 5% of the infestation. The other 95% are eggs and larvae hiding in your home. And fleas bring other problems. If a puppy ingests an infected flea while grooming, they can get tapeworms, complicating their health. This is why almost all flea products have strict warnings. They list minimum age and weight requirements that you must follow. So you have a defenseless puppy in a home infestation, with most products off limits. What can you actually do right now? Let's break this down by age. For puppies under 4 weeks old, the answer is simple and non-negotiable. There are no approved chemical treatments. Your only safe tool is a fine-toothed flea comb. Comb your puppy carefully, multiple times a day. Drown any captured fleas in soapy water. While combing the puppy, your main battle is the environment. Wash all bedding in hot water and vacuum daily, throwing out the bag. At 4 weeks old and at least 2 pounds, a new option is available. Nitinpirum, also known as Capstar. It kills adult fleas within 30 minutes. But Nitinpirum is a temporary fix, gone in 24 hours. It provides immediate relief, but offers zero long-term prevention from reinfestation. This brings us to the next major milestone for flea prevention. What happens once your puppy reaches 7 to 8 weeks old? At 7 to 8 weeks, many vet-approved topical spot-on treatments become an option, providing a month of protection. Similarly, most oral chewable medications are approved for puppies 8 weeks and older, killing any fleas that bite. The Seresto collar is an exception among flea collars. It's approved for puppies as young as 7 weeks and works for up to 8 months. For all of these options, you must read the label and confirm with your vet that your puppy meets the exact age and weight minimums. Let's recap. Under 4 weeks, comb only. 4 weeks or more, Nitinpirum for emergencies. 7 to 8 weeks or older, long-term preventatives. But what about other products at the pet store? What about flea shampoos, dips, or products with essential oils? Many over-the-counter products, especially those for adult dogs, contain an ingredient called permethrin, which is highly toxic to young animals. Exposure to a small amount of permethrin can cause tremors, seizures, and can be fatal. This is a common and tragic owner mistake. And natural options? While some might repel fleas, they are not strong enough to treat an active infestation and create a false sense of security. This is why you cannot afford to guess. The risk is too high. Your veterinarian is the only person qualified to prescribe a safe product. Remember the 95% of fleas hiding in your home? You must clean aggressively while waiting for your puppy to be old enough for medication. The full strategy is clear. Physical combing and house cleaning are your foundation. A pill like Nitinpirum is your rescue for heavy infestations. That quick-acting pill directly fights the anemia risk from the beginning. It stops the blood loss, buying you time to create a long-term plan. Ultimately, treating fleas on a young puppy is not about a single magic product. It is about using the right tool at the right time. Even with a vet-approved product, you must know the signs of a bad reaction. Watch for drooling, tremors, lethargy, or trouble walking. If you see any of these signs after a treatment, contact your vet or an emergency animal hospital without delay. Your puppy's life depends on getting this right. These rules are not suggestions. Never use a product without professional guidance. By following these strict, age-based guidelines and working with your vet, you can get your puppy to a healthy and flea-free life.